So today what I'm going to try to do is bring down that piece that's hanging down there. Best thing I can try right now is I got a rope from there going to the golf cart over there. I gave myself a good long reach. That way if anything comes falling, I'm going to be well out of the way. And so I'm going to give that a try, see if this will work or not. First I'll give it, just a pull. And if that don't work, maybe I'll give it a little bit of a harder jerk, see if I can knock it off there or not. So let's see what happens. See if I kill myself. Never know. So keep an eye on that hanging piece. Okay, that's what I was afraid of. I was afraid the rope would break. So what I'll have to do now is get something a little bit stronger than a rope, which I do have something around here. So I have a ratchet strap and a tow rat strap on the cart, but it's not as long as I'd like it to be. So let's get this broken rope off of here first. And hook right here. Okay, if hooks don't come loose, see what happens here. Get the key on. This is going to be a little bit more rigid than that. Let's see. Well, that doesn't appear to be working. I need a way to cut it at that bark. Maybe if I tried from a different direction, peel the bark as it goes. I don't have a lot of room to go any other direction here except for that direction. I don't think this direction's going to help. Maybe if I come from this way, it'll peel the bark and break it loose. That way I'm just twisting it. See what I can rig up here real quick. Okay, see what happens this direction. I didn't have a lot of faith in it working to begin with, so. Nothing ventured, nothing gained, as they say. Try hooking that way this time. And let's see what happens if I got enough room. I go past the camera, I guess. heard a snap. No, my luck, that thing will come at me like a missile when it comes off of there. Give it a little bit harder jerk. Didn't hear any popping that time. She seems pretty hard right there. I'm going to try going over to the left here, pull it that direction, see if anything happens. Nope. I guess I gotta find a way to use the pole saw on that and stay out of the way when it comes down, but I don't know what I could get. The ladder on the other part of the tree. No, my luck, it'd come back and knock the ladder out from under me. I sure would love to have that thing down though. But might as well take this loose. This is doing me no good now. Of course, this does not have the power that four-wheel drive truck does. Maybe I'll give that a try real quick. Go that way with the pickup. It's got four-wheel drive. It's got some weight to it. Might pull that sucker off of there.
Today and tomorrow, hot enough for a heat advisory to be in effect through the period. Temperatures will be up into the 90s for today and
Radio just saying heat advisory today. Okay, I gotta put my ball on. You just don't know till you try, right? Maybe a wasted effort, but if you don't try, you never know. Or the whole tree could come down on my truck. Be catastrophic. I can't say the word, but be very bad. Catastrophe. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Okay, you may lose sound because the mic's being in this truck. So if you hear me cussing, you won't hear me cussing. But I forgot, I do have backup recording on, so you might hear. Okay, I can't see very well what's happening back there. Okay, there it is. I see it now. Try again. I'm in two-wheel drive at the moment. Nope. Oh, she's doing some wild swinging back there, but it ain't coming down. I'm gonna get the pole saw. I don't think I can reach it from here. Not a good position to be in right now. That's all that's holding it. 2 pieces of bark. Pretty strong stuff, I'll say that for. Other side underneath that limb. Where I can't get to, but I did get some of that cut out. I don't want to be standing too close under it right now. It looks like that loosened it. Let's try pulling that again. Now, there. Okay. Give her another whirl. Success. That other one, I don't think I can reach that. I don't think anything there's going to hold the tie a rope to. But got the one down, so a step in the right direction. I just wanted to see if I could get it done, and finally did. It took a little bit, but got it done. I wanted to do some cleanup today, pick some of this stuff up and haul it out of here, but there's a heat advisory going on right now, and I am just, for no more than I've done, I'm sweating my butt off. I start doing that, I'm finished. So I think I'll wait till temperature cools down some before I even think about trying that. So thanks for watching that one come down anyway. Have a good one. Bye, y'all.